Hello friends who like to find a better way. Today we are going to talk about how you can rename a bunch of files at once. So we are, as I record this, we are in summer mode. So this may pertain to vacation pictures that you take, or if you have construction projects going on at work, or just various events that may be happening in your workplace. And you have a bunch of pictures and they come onto your computer with the generic file name. If you would like to be able to give them something a little bit more meaningful and not have to rename every single file at once, then this trick is for you. What we're going to do is, obviously your pictures are all sitting somewhere. I have a whole bunch of pictures sitting in this sample folder. And the first thing I want to do is select all of the pictures. Now, once you're inside that folder, the easiest way to select all the files in a folder is just to use a keyboard shortcut, Control A. And I have selected all 61 items in this folder. And let me pause really quick and let you know that this works in any version of Microsoft Windows, 7, 10, you name it. I think it would be worth trying on other operating systems to see if it might work in there as well. So once we have all of our pictures selected, I can just right click anywhere on any picture, although your numbering will start based on the picture you have selected. So it probably makes sense to go ahead and just select the first picture in your list. I'm going to right click and choose rename, or I could have gone up here to the home ribbon and hit rename. The reason I don't like to try to do the double click slowly into the file because that will remove your selection. So you want to either use the ribbon or your shortcut menu to choose rename. I'm going to click rename. I'm going to give it a meaningful file name. So let's call this Summer Vacation 2019. So that is what I want every single file to be named. And now I'm going to press enter to commit it. And what it has done is it's given every single file that same name and just given it really a unique number at the end, so it would be a unique file name. So this is, like I said, fantastic. If you have a construction project, you could say this is the water installation for project number XYZ, and have all of those pictures labeled appropriately, so in future generations, when they open up that project folder, they're going to know what they're looking at. So I hope that helps. I would love to know if this was an aha for you. If it was, by all means, please leave a comment or like the video. I'd also love for you to like this or subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already. And of course, sign up for my newsletter as well, and you will have these aha tips and more delivered right to your inbox. Thanks again for watching. I hope it helps.